Hi friends, today we are preparing one of the traditional Kerala snacks, rose cookies or achchpam. It's a tasty contribution from the traditional Syrian Christian kitchen. Syrian Christians have a unique style and state just like Malabar kitchen. So let's start. First of all, we need rice flour. It's freshly grounded one, not store-bought roasted rice flour. Okay, here we took 4 cups of rice flour. Next, we need 2 eggs. Chicken eggs are preferred. Okay, mix it well and keep it aside. We will add 4 tablespoons sugar with rice flour. Adjust it as per your taste and preferences. We will add a pinch of salt too. Next ingredient is coconut milk. Half cup thick coconut milk is required. We won't add any extra water. Slowly mix the coconut milk with the rice flour mix and combine well. Combine it till it becomes a very thick batter. And, if you are watching our videos for the first time, please consider subscribing to our channel. This YouTube channel is a part of a blog that is trying to collect and preserve local traditional recipes for the next generation. So each like or share you are giving will make us more confident to do more videos like this. Next, we will add the egg mix. Mix well and make a semi-thick batter. We will finish the batter by adding a tablespoon black sesame seeds and mix it. That's it. The batter is ready. You can check the sweetness of the batter. If it's over, you can add some more rice flour or add more sugar. Heat oil in a pan. Now dip the rose cookie mold in hot oil for a second. Dip it in the batter, keep the flame medium, and dip it in oil. After 2 seconds, shake the mold a little, so that the cookies will detach from the mold. If it's strongly stuck together, you can use a spoon to detach it. When one side is cooked, flip it and deep fry both sides to a golden brown color. remove from oil. That's it. Rose cookies are ready. Hope you love this video. If so, please press the like button and share it with your friends and relatives. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, take care.